Okay, here we need to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So for number 3, we're given the equation negative x plus 4y equals 16. This equation is in standard form, and we want to get it into slope-intercept form. So remember, slope is represented by the variable m, y-intercept is represented by the variable b. And slope-intercept form of a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. So to get number 3 into slope-intercept form, we need to solve the equation for y. So we want to get y on one side of the equal sign by itself. Here we have this negative x, so to move it to the other side, we're going to add it. So we're going to add x to both sides of the equal sign. We get that 4y is equal to 16 plus x. Now we want to get just y by itself. So this is 4 times y. We need to divide all 3 terms by 4. When we do that, these 4's make a giant 1, so we get y is equal to 16 divided by 4 is 4, plus, remember, there's a coefficient of 1 in front of this x. So we're just going to write this as 1/4 x. Because that 1/4, that is our slope. So here we can rewrite this as y equals 1/4 x plus 4, just to put it exactly in slope-intercept form. And then when we do that, we get that the slope, which is represented by the variable m, is equal to 1/4. And the y-intercept, which is represented by the variable b, is equal to 4. Number 4, we have the equation y equals 10. This one is kind of tricky. Remember that y equals is the equation of a horizontal line. So here we have a horizontal line where the y value for every single point on the line is 10. So when you have a horizontal line, your slope is actually 0. Because you don't have a change in y. Every single y point on the line has a y. Every single point on the line has a y coordinate of 10. So here our slope is equal to 0. And then our y-intercept is equal to 10. Because the equation literally tells us that y is equal to 10. So every single point on the line has a y value of